Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. This video I will show you how to fix that error which you already seen that. When we will open the computer or when we will open the partition or folder, this error will occur. This error will not affect your work. You will click yes or no, it will gone. But most of the user will disturb for that error. So how to solve this problem or how to remove this error easily? We will go to search option and write here cmd and right click upon the command prompt, run as administrator, yes, and you write here rd space slash s space slash q and drive letter, then colon dollar sign recycle.bin and enter. After that you will click the problem is solved, click on the problematic folder or partition, the problem will no longer occur. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and you don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.